Should just use the drone.
Alright guys, a little bit of a hang up here. Wouldn't be a day in the garage without a situation like this.
Yeah, I gotta fix that window. It is pretty loud.
They've got this awesome flange here, which uses a V-band clamp. I love V-band clamps. Great way to connect these. Hold on. Are you messing with the camera? Okay.
But not like actually messing with
How does it look?
It looks
How
good.
does it look? Ah! Okay, now that we have some room to talk, right? Let's do our handshake first. So, a little bit of a hang up.
Do you want to explain what all that is?
I kind of did. So the removable silencer.
I can't see.
Oh,
Okay, that's good.
I swear to God, I'm going to shoot him in the face.
That's it.
Okay.